Hello students, good morning. My name is Gurpreet Singh. Welcome back to English online classes. Today we will learn about an advertisement in Toolet. Yesterday we have learned about an advertisement in situation wanted. And I already told you what is the difference between in situation vacant, in situation wanted and in Toolet. In situation vacant we offer new services or new jobs. In situation wanted we find new job. On that time we are describing about ourselves. But in two-let advertisement we purchase or sell properties. We purchase or sell properties. In two-let advertisement we write about properties. We write about properties. कि वो प्रॉपर्टीज आप सेल करना चाहते हो या परचेज करना चाहते हो. In two-let advertisement we write about our properties. Understand? तो हम प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में बताते हैं कि वो आप सेल करना चाहते हो, परचेज करना चाहते हो या आप रेंट पे देना चाहते हो. On that time we write an advertisement in two-let. Understand? So here I have more information related to two-let advertisement, and the information is man is a social animal for his domestic requirements. So here we are talking about man. So man is a social animal. For his domestic requirements, we often either purchase or sell properties and other articles in our day-to-day life. For this, we generally send an advertisement in the newspaper. जब हमको हमारी प्रॉपर्टी सेल करनी होती है या परचेज करनी होती है, on that time we write an advertisement, and after that we publish that advertisement in the newspaper. While writing such advertisement for publication, we ought to be very cautious. जब हम ऐसी एडवर्टीजमेंट लिखते हैं तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा कॉशियस होने की जरूरत है. सो वी ought to be very cautious and should leave irrelevant details about your house while drafting such advertisements. Understand? So we write an advertisement in two-let when we purchase or sell properties. So two-let advertisement is related to properties. Understand? Okay. So here we have 7 steps related to two-let advertisement. So you must focus on the following steps. The number 1 is begin with available on rent. So in the first sentence, you have to describe about your house, or your house is available on rent or not. In the first sentence, you have to describe about your house. Your house is available on rent or not. In the second sentence, also you have to describe about your house. Your house is like a flat, related to floors, house, office, etc. And after that, you have to describe about size of your house as well as how many rooms you have, like in your houses, in your house. So in the third sentence you have to describe about rooms. Understand? So the fourth one is location and surroundings. Location and surrounding means in this आप डिस्क्राइब करोगे कि आपका हाउस सेंट्रली लोकेटेड है या नियर बाय बैंक है, नियर बाय मार्केट है, फेसिंग पार्क है, स्कूल के पास है या हॉस्पिटल के पास है. So also you must mention about bank, market, facing park, school, hospital. So you must mention about location. Understand? Any other details related to your house is well furnished, fully furnished or newly constructed. Understand? So you have to describe about your house. Your house is well furnished, fully furnished or a newly constructed, etc. And after that you have to describe about rent, your expected rent. आप कितना रेंट लेना चाहते हो और नेगोशिएबल, या आप डिसाइड करोगे मिलके. सो इट्स योर चॉइस. You will write or not about rent. Understand? And the 7th one is mailing address and contact number or address, your permanent address regarding your house. तो आप 7th में you must mention about your address and contact number. After that they will be able to contact you. Understand? So all these steps are beneficial to you when you draft an advertisement related to let. Understand? And also keep in your mind 3 points. The number 1 is do not extend your advertisement do not extend your advertisement. You have to write your advertisement in 50 words, not more than 50 words. Understand? And the second one is do not use grammar portion more. And the third one is you put your advertisement in a box. You put your advertisement in a box. Understand? So here I have one example related to let advertisement. So the example is you have recently constructed a house with all the facilities in a posh area as you have decided to give it on rent. तो आपके पास एक हाउस है जो पॉश एरिया में, और आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि आप उसको रेंट पे देना चाहते हो. तो आपने एक एडवर्टीजमेंट लिखनी है in not more than 50 words. They already mentioned that you have to write in 50 words, not more than 50 words for the to let. So I already told you to let advertisement is related to properties. Understand? So column of a local daily newspaper, invent all the necessary detail including contact address. So here they also mention that you have to include your contact address after completing your advertisement. Understand? So our title is to let. So you have to write your title in capital. To let. Understand? So this is a body of an advertisement. So here I have available on rent basis for 11 months a newly constructed house in Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. So the house has 4 spacious bedrooms. So firstly he describes about his house a newly constructed, and his house is in Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. And after that he described about bedrooms. The house has 4 spacious bedrooms with attached bathrooms. तो उसने कहा है कि बहुत बड़े स्पेस वाले स्पेसियस जो बेडरूम्स हैं और उसके साथ क्या अटैच है, बाथरूम्स भी. सो एक बिग ड्राइंग रूम कम डाइनिंग हॉल. सो हियर he also mentioned more information regarding his house, and his house regarding like garage and servant quarter is in a corner. The well furnished and tastefully built house is two sites open in the market with education facilities for children. So here he also mentioned that his house is built nearby market. So here you also will take benefit regarding education. Understand? So expect rent is 20,000 per month. So here he also telling about rent 20,000 per month. If you are interested, please ring 93534211 or contact 1234567 826 Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. So in the last he mentioned about contact number or address and address. Understand? So in the last you must mention your address as well as your contact number. Understand? So this video is related to to-let advertisement. If you have any doubt regarding that, you can consult with me. Thank you so much.